Also following several breaking stories right now on NBC 10 Boston. We begin with a verdict in that Blackstone House of Horrors trial. Erika Murray found not guilty of second-degree murder. Let's go live to our Alicia Palumbo outside court in Worcester. Alicia, what's the latest?
Well, this is definitely an interesting split verdict in this case. The judge finding Erika Murray not guilty of second-degree murder, as well as the lesser included charge of involuntary manslaughter. The judge also finding Murray not guilty of 2 counts of reckless endangerment of a child. Those 2 charges pertaining to Murray's 13-year-old daughter and 10-year-old son. But the judge did find Murray guilty of 2 counts of assault and battery on a child, causing substantial bodily injury. Those charges are for the 3-year-old and 5-month-old girls found alone and covered in feces in the home back in August 2014. Murray was also found guilty of 2 counts of animal cruelty for a dog and a cat found in the home. Murray appeared to show some emotion as the murder verdict was read. That charge surrounding 1 of 3 sets of infant remains found in Murray's home. Prosecutors had admitted 1 was likely stillborn, and the judge found they didn't prove that the 3rd infant ever lived. So she tossed a second charge of murder during the trial. Here's how Judge Janet Kenton-Walker weighed in on the evidence in this case as she read the verdicts.
In her mind, Miss Murray believed she was a good mother to all her children. She was not conscious or aware of how bad everything had become. Miss Murray was so profoundly unaware of the circumstances that when confronted with the reality, Miss Murray appeared to others to be uncaring, almost nonchalant, apathetic, and flat in her affect.
A brief recess after the verdict, and she's now determining whether she will sentence Murray now or schedule sentencing for a later date. She asked the attorneys to discuss it and also get back to her, so that recess still ongoing at this time. We will update you when and if there is a sentence on NBC 10 Boston. For now, we are live at Worcester Superior Court. Alicia Palumbo, NBC 10 Boston.